Liquid X and Y of the same mass and temperature are put into a refrigerator to cool down. The graph below shows the variation of the temperatures of the liquids with time. So which of the following statements is or are correct? Statement 1, the freezing point of X is higher than that of Y. Statement 2, the specific heat capacity of liquid X is lower than that of liquid Y. Statement 3, the specific latent heat of fusion of X is higher than that of Y. And we need to give them our answer. Let's look at option 1. So this kind of question, we've already seen it quite a lot, so I'll be going through this quite a bit faster now. Freezing point of X is higher than that of Y. Let's look. So at the point where it freezes, yes, this is the temperature of X, this is the temperature of Y. And X freezes at a higher temperature, this is going to be correct. Specific heat capacity of liquid X is lower than that of liquid Y. Well, this is actually going to be wrong. Remember, we are looking at the gradients of our graph. Basically, we are trying to find out how much energy we need to add or remove, in this case, from our liquid in order to make it drop by the same amount of to have the same kind of a drop in temperature. So that's what we are trying to look at. And the steeper our line, that just means that we have a lower specific heat capacity. So liquid X is the one with the less steep line, so it is the one with the higher specific heat capacity. So statement 2 is wrong. Now how about specific latent heat of fusion? So again, amount of energy required to completely freeze X or Y, depending on which one you're comparing. So if Y takes a longer time to freeze, that means we are removing more energy from it. Remember, they're both being put in the same refrigerator, so the longer it is in there, the more energy we remove from it. So basically, specific latent heat of fusion for Y is going to be higher, not the other way around. This is also going to be wrong, so answer is A.